Good morning. Today we discussed HTML attributes. HTML attributes provide additional information about the HTML elements. Some HTML attributes are all HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about the elements. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in name, value, pairs like name is equal to within a double quotation value, name with value. The example we are considered href attribute. The first one is the href. The a tag defines a hyperlink. Here a defines the hyperlink tag. The href attribute specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. An example you can write a program a href equal to within a double quotation https://www.w3schools.com. Visit w3schools/a. On that time you are running the program, just like you can write your college code HTML body h2 the head tag the href attribute \h2. Now we can start the paragraph. HTML links are defined with a tag within double quotation. The link address is specified in the href attributes paragraph \p. Now use your attribute a href equal to within a double quotation https://www.w3schools.com within double quotation visit W3 schools. Similar on that one, you can give your college code https your change into example our college code https://www.pjgdc.in within a double quotation close visit W3 schools. Attribute is close body \body, that is closing tag body HTML closing HTML, and that the output to be displayed just like the HTML defined. The HTML links are defined with the tag. The link address is specified in the href attributes. href attributes. Which are attributes. Then you can go to the src attribute. The src attribute. What are the src attribute? The image tag is used to embedded any image in HTML page. The SRC attributes specify the path to the image to be displayed. The SRC path to be image is to be displayed. The example of image SRC within less than it, you can write the image tag in between less than greater than image space SRC equal to, you can write image name that img underscore girl dot jpg with the name of the image within the double quotation greater than is what you can display any image. On that one you can give your image program. Generally you can write the program of image HTML body, HTML opening HTML opening body h2 the SRC attribute opening h2 the SRC attribute closing h2 tag. After then you can start path tag, that is a paragraph tag, p opening p HTML images are defined with the image tag and the file name of the image. Source is specified in the SRC attribute colon backslash p. These the all images you can write image, the body HTML p, these are in previously you discussed. Just you can write a image within the less than greater than in between image space SRC equal to image underscore girl dot jpg. You can give the width is equal to 500 within double quotation, put in the 500 in the within the double quotation. Height is equal to 600 within the double quotation greater than. You can close the body of that body tag backslash body, and after then you can close backslash HTML. Then you run the program, the output to be displayed on that monitor. You store that image name, you store the image name girl.jpg, that image to be displayed on the monitor, that image to be displayed on the monitor. This way the images should be displayed on simple way. Then you go to next image, the width and the height of images or attributes. Generally the width and height to be coming to the attributes images. The image tag should also contain the width and height attributes, which is specified the width and the height of the image in pixels. Similarly in previous, what the images you're given, image SRC is equal to within double quotation the image name double quotation close. After that with the width of image you can give the 500 and height is equal to within double quotation 600 ended with greater than. In between you can give the height of width and height of images. You can go to the code of that one. You can write a program just like opening HTML opening body. After then you can go through heading with the heading h2 tag, that is a heading tag, width and height attributes you can apply the width and height attributes. h2 tag, that is a heading tag, is closed. Then you can write the p tag, that is a paragraph tag, opening p. You can write some comment on that one. The width and height attributes of the image tag defines the width and height of the image. For that paragraph here, right, the width and height attributes of the image tag define the width and height of the image. The paragraph to be closed \p. After then you can write the image src equal to that image name. You can write the image name image.jpg. Width is equal to within a double quotation 500, height is equal to within a double quotation 600. After then you can close the body tag, that is a \body. Again you stop that closing tag, that is the HTML tag. Based on that width and height, the image should be displayed on that monitor. The image should be always you can store in pixels. The image tag should be contains the width and height of that image. Then you can go to the alter attribute. Now you can go to the alter, that is alternative attribute. The required ALT, the alternative attribute, that is a ALT attribute for the image tag specify img. Image tag means that is the img is the image, ALT is the alternative for the image tag specifies an alternative text for an image. If the image of for some reasons cannot display, this can be due to slow connections, any error in the src attributes, or if the user uses a screen reader. Generally, where this one, the alter attribute for the image tag specify an alternative text for an image if the image of some reason cannot be displayed. In case of sometimes the image is to be not displayed on that monitor on the time, on the output, on the time you can give some content on that one. Why? Because this can be due to slow connection. In case of that is internet connection is very slow, then we have slow connection, or an error in the src attribute. In case of any error in src at the timing of defining the src, or if the user uses a screen reader, on that time the image is not displayed. On that one you can give the alternative comment on that one. What is that one? The image, you can similarly you can write the image tag just like image src is equal to that image tag name image underscore girl.jpg within a double quotation closed ALT equal to within double quotation girl with a jacket within double quotation closed. The image tag also to be closed. And that time you can go to output of that program, how the program to be written on that image. Similarly, you can write the HTML tag. Once you perfect in that HTML, you can easily write the image tags. Every HTML program, then write with HTML open tag HTML open tag body the heading tag, that is a h2 tag, the alter attribute \h2, the paragraph tag. The alter attribute should reflect the image content, so users who cannot see the image gets an understanding of what the image contains, colon backslash, that is a backslash means the closing the tag, that is a p tag, paragraph tag. In the paragraph you can define the alter attribute should reflect the image content. So the users who cannot see the image gets an understanding of what the image contains. Image src is equal to image underscore girl dot jpg within double quotation. Alter, you can write within the double quotation girl with a jacket, double quotation close. Again you can that width is equal to 500 within double quotation, that 500, and the height is equal to 600. You got to put in the 600 into double quotation. Image tag is complete. After that the program to be concluded, that is the body tag. You can use the body tag, you can close the body tag. After then you can write the HTML closing tag. This way the HTML attribute, alternative attributes to be executed. In case of the alter image not to be displayed, and that does not exist, and that you can go image, you can some cases you are given the name of that image with the tag is a wrong name, and that way you can give the you not give a correct name, and that image had to be displayed, and that the output to be just to display. If we are try to display an image that does not exist, the value of that attribute will be displayed instead. What the comment you write in the paragraph, you can give an example of wrong name, and that image src. In previously image underscore girl dot jpg, on that you can give the any wrong name of girl in place of girl, image girl dot jpg, and that one give the any wrong name. That in case image girl you can put the girl, yes you can put the yes, and that it is wrong. That is a saving of before before the image is saved is a what name girl, you can give the yes, then it is a wrong, and that it's to be show some error, the image not to be displayed, displayed on that image. This is the practical. You can give the wrong name and try what that output to be displayed. Then you are going to the another important topic, that is a style of attributes. Then you can go to the style of attributes. It's very important. Style of attributes. The style attribute is used to add styles to an element, such as a color, font, size, and more. It is important to the programmers depend upon that style of attributes to be displayed based on this one style. This style to be used, the style tag that is used with in between of paragraph. For example, you can go, then this is the general syntax. You are using the P within the paragraph. You are using that styles. Opening P, that is the paragraph tag. P style is equal to within a double quotation color color colon red ended with a semicolon. The color equal to red put in a double quotation. The paragraph tag is closed. This is a red paragraph. You can write anything on that one. After that, this is a red paragraph. After the dot, then you can close the p. That is a closing tag means \p. The output is displayed. The content of what you write in the paragraph, the paragraph content to be displayed on the red color. This is a very interesting and users to attracting and within a red color. You can give the very important note on that one. If a large paragraph is there on that one, you can give a separate color for one particular point. On that you can give the different colors. Generally you see in books there are important topics, important key points, they give the different colors or different style of that text. What the program you can write, just you see that program. Your program started with the opening HTML, after then body. That is a generally heavy HTML heading tag. That is a head that you can write your own name, that head. After then title, you can give the title. Generally you can see the HTML body. After then you can go to heading tag h2. This style attributes \, that is the closing of h2. After then you can write a paragraph. The style attribute is used to, you are using the two paragraph. One is colored, one is a non-colored. What the problem to be displayed on that one? The style attribute is used to add a styles to an element. The style attribute is used to add styles to an element, such as color colon \p. That is a closing one paragraph is over. One paragraph by using with the color, one paragraph is not used with the color. P, that is another paragraph less than p. Style is equal to within a double quotation color colon dot color colon red ended with semicolon within a double quotation. The p is your, this is a red paragraph. Then you can close the paragraph \p. After then you can body tag is closed. After then you can close the HTML, that is a \HTML. After the execution of the program, the output just to display on the two paragraph. One paragraph with a previous similar same color, that is a black color. Generally we are using the black color with white screen. After then you are using the color tag where the p style equal to within a double quotation color colon red ended with semicolon with the double quotation. This is a red paragraph. The paragraph to be displayed on the red color. This is a red paragraph. You can write on that red paragraph. This is a very interesting and red color to be displayed on that one. Not only colors, you have different text on that one. Not only colors, you have display on that. Then you can go to the long attribute. The long attribute, you should always include the long attribute inside the HTML tag to declare the language of the web page. This is means to assist search engines and browsers. The lang attribute is the language attribute. You should always include the lang attribute inside the HTML tag. In the previous color tag is you can use it in the paragraph, but in the language language tag, you should always include the long tag attributes inside the HTML tag to declare the language of the web page. This meant to assist search engines and browsers. You can consider an example on that program. You can write that program, depend upon that one. We have different English fonts that have a general English fonts, that is a HTML language is equal to within a double quotation en body tag and etc. You have these are syntax, considered as syntax we have, and so on. You can close the body tag, you can close the HTML. Country codes can also be added to the language code in the language attribute. Country codes, you have some country codes on that one, you can use the. So the first two characters of define the language of the HTML page. The first two characters defines the language of the HTML page, and the last two characters define the country. For example, you can see the language code of that one. HTML language equal to within a double quotation en dash us within the capitals us within the double quotation. HTML tag is closed, the HTML body tag starter, and so on. You have put in a backslash body and a HTML closing HTML. You can also see the language codes in our HTML. You have a reference, see different country have different HTML codes. Different countries you have different codes. If different countries have different codes. For example, ISO 639-1 language codes have, for example, different countries: Afghan Jian AB, Afar AA, Afrikaans AF, Akan AK, Albanian S2. In case of Bambara BM, Baskir BA, Bascu GU, Belsurius BU, Bengali, that is a Bangla, that is a BN, Bihari BH. We have different languages. Chinese ZH, Chinese simplified. You have three options in Chinese. You have ZH is the Chinese simplified. ZH dash H and H hands. Chinese traditional ZH dash hand. These are different codes of languages. Generally you see different codes of different styles of different styles of codes. Different styles of codes. You have different codes on HTMLs. Different codes of HTML. So we have considered as different more codes. Style of attribute, then is a language attribute. Then you can go to the another important is the another important one is the important one is the title attribute. Then you can go the title attribute. The title attribute is given. The title attribute defines some extra information about an element. The value of the attribute will display as tooltip when you mouse over the element. tooltip and mouse. For example, you can consider that is this is a paragraph. You can give the this is also used in a within the quotation of paragraph p and that one p title equal to within a paragraph p within a title is equal to I am a tool tip the paragraph p is complete close and this is a paragraph. After then you can paragraph is over. This way the program to be executed. The mouse is going on to move the mouse over the paragraph is used to display the title attribute is a tooltip. It is given to the mouse is moving on that one, it is given to some tooltip. The paragraph on that it is given some tooltip. Finally you can go to the case sensitive of okay tooltip. You have given a some this is also similar. You can h tag if you can given the html tag head after then you can give that the title of the tag in the body h2 title equal to I am a header. The title attributes h2 the tag is closing tag that h2 in within the paragraph you given a title is equal to within double quotation I am